Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on 20 digital marketing skills required to be a successful marketer. Today, the digital world is rapidly growing and so is the competition. Digital marketing skills have become increasingly important for businesses to succeed and stay ahead of the game. In this video, we'll be discussing the 20 essential skills that every digital marketer should possess to be successful. Skill number 1. Search Engine Optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant keywords. Skill number 2. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. PPC is an advertising model where you pay a fee each time one of your ads is clicked. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is an effective way to reach potential customers and drive traffic to your website. In this model, you create online ads and place them on search engines such as Google or social media platforms such as Facebook. When a user clicks on one of your ads, you pay a fee to the platform hosting the ad. The fee you pay is usually determined by a bidding system, where you bid against other advertisers for the right to have your ad shown to a specific audience. PPC advertising can be highly targeted and allows you to reach people who are actively searching for products or services related to your business. You can control the budget for your PPC campaign, and the fees you pay are only incurred when someone clicks on your ad. This makes it a cost-effective way to reach potential customers and generate leads. Skill number 3. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Skill number 4. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to promote a product or service. Skill number 5. Email marketing. Email marketing is the use of email to promote products or services. Skill number 6. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influential people in your niche to promote your products or services. Skill number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where affiliates earn a commission for promoting another company's products or services. Skill number 8. Video marketing. Video marketing is the use of video to promote or market your product or service. The goal of video marketing is to grab the attention of potential customers and keep them engaged, ultimately driving conversions and sales. Video marketing can take many forms, including explainer videos, demos, product tours, testimonials, and behind-the-scenes footage. It can also be used for various purposes, such as product promotion, showcasing the features and benefits of a product in a visual and engaging way; brand awareness, introducing a brand to new audiences and building a relationship with existing customers; thought leadership, sharing industry insights and expertise to establish a brand as a leader in its field; customer engagement, responding to customer questions and comments in a more personal and engaging way. Video marketing can be shared through a variety of channels, including social media platforms, company websites, and email campaigns. It can also be incorporated into paid advertising campaigns, such as YouTube ads or Facebook video ads. The use of video in marketing has been growing rapidly in recent years due to the increasing popularity of video content and the decline of traditional text-based content. It is a highly effective way to reach and engage audiences, and has been shown to increase conversion rates, reduce bounce rates, and improve overall ROI for marketers. Skill number 9. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is the use of mobile devices to promote or market your product or service. Skill number 10. Web analytics. Web analytics is the measurement, collection, analysis and reporting of web data for the purposes of understanding and optimizing web usage. Skill number 11. Data analysis. Data analysis involves the use of statistical and computational methods to collect, process, and analyze large amounts of data. Skill number 12. Graphic design. Graphic design is the process of visual communication and problem solving through the use of typography, imagery and color. Skill number 13. UX, UI design. UX, UI design is the process of designing and optimizing the user experience and interface of a website or application. Skill number 14. Web development. Web development is the process of building, designing and maintaining websites. Skill number 15. Project management. Project management involves the planning, execution, and control of a project to achieve specific goals. Skill number 16. Copywriting. Copywriting is the process of writing the text for advertisements or marketing materials. Skill number 17. Brand management. Brand management involves the development and maintenance of a brand's reputation. Brand management is a strategic and continuous process that involves creating and maintaining the image of a brand in the market. It is about building a brand's reputation, positioning the brand in the market, and ensuring that the brand's values and promises are consistent and communicated effectively to the target audience. The main goal of brand management is to create a strong, positive and distinctive image of a brand in the minds of customers, and to sustain and enhance that image over time. This is achieved by understanding the target audience, identifying the brand's unique value proposition, and communicating it through various touch points such as advertising, packaging, and customer service. The brand management process includes a number of activities such as market research, product development, advertising, public relations, and event management. It also involves monitoring the brand's performance and making adjustments as needed to ensure that the brand remains relevant and competitive in the market. An effective brand management strategy is critical for the success of any business, as it helps to establish a strong brand identity, build customer loyalty, and increase brand equity. By focusing on the development and maintenance of a brand's reputation, businesses can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a strong presence in the market. Skill number 18. Marketing automation. Marketing automation involves using software to automate repetitive marketing tasks. Skill number 19. Public relations, PR. PR is the practice of managing the spread of information between an individual or an organization and the public. Skill number 20. Digital advertising. Digital advertising involves promoting your product or service through digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites. In conclusion, these 20 skills are essential for any digital marketer to be successful. However, it's important to note that this is not an exhaustive list, and there may be other skills that are important to your specific industry or role. Stay curious and keep learning, and you'll be on your way to success. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more videos on digital marketing.